Hello lovely friends, here is another videos about brooches design. If you have not watched the previous video, I am sure you may want to do so. Before we start,
welcome to Maggie B's Family TV. Welcome to Maggie B's Family TV.
You can use these brooches on your dresses, your bracelets, necklaces, gele, and so on. Next week, we will be uploading video of some necklaces you can do using brooches, and the week after, we will be uploading a tutorial on beaded necklaces you can do using some fancy brooches. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so. Like that, you get notified whenever we upload videos. You can purchase it from us at our website maggiebeads.com, or if you want us to customize jewelries for you, please contact us. We will be glad to do so. And I want to thank those of you super chatting us financially. Thank you so much. It goes a long way. Thank you for watching and keep watching.